Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
How this thing go? The cameraman now, cause him and the cameraman. Apology to the cameraman was given on the stage and off the stage. When he was videoing, I went, you know me, how we perform, so I went here and said, move, cameraman, move. No disrespect. Never meant to be taken. No disrespect to the cameraman. I apologize to him a million times.
One eternity later.
Promotion, we tour the world with elephant. We go all over with elephant. Elephant use water and throw up a stage in a performance. Him throw up everybody up and said, come up on the stage. And
A few moments later.
when I pushed fire off the stage, he came back up. And when he came on the stage, I wet him up again and he wet me up. When me, I said, wet me up, wet me up, wet me up.
Brother, what's that?
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
Me done. Now follow me, boy, you're broken up. Don't go so. Big up yourselves. No disrespect. We just entertain the people.
I don't want no.
So you remove your pussy wall and come down.
Yo, them Gaza fans are confuse me. Yo, fuck. Look over there, good and low, the whole Sidem argument from what they hear. And Vibes Cartel go on Reggae land and do what him say, ma do. And surprise Uno say Sidem pregnant. Not me, no. Jamaica, Vibes Cartel do Reggae land and announce that Sidem pregnant by his jester, right? People, when you go back to J Progress video about me, when me ask the question and me say to Vibes Cartel, say, Vibes Cartel, you want me tell them or you are going to tell them? Jesus, please! This like, no man!
If I be like that, the cameraman there, I must book that the cameraman they book, cause he will just film work where I do. So if I me as the cameraman there, the promoter, you have to go vex with me, cause that the show they are go mash up.
You don't know what you with truth and facts. Big up.
Media Fox. How the latest news them lock.
So I think that about represent fully.
I don't know who and Media Fox man up, you know. Yeah, man, you know what things said. So people, we see the elephant man forward out. I see a bag of things. You see my youth, this is some of my time, brother. Uno do something, bro, and uno not expect. Uno know the media stay already. See? Because I see him see people are calling him out and backlash, you know. But me just from the get-go from me see man do it, people. Me know what this the man want, bro. Bro, uno do no time in a dance hall na giant. But bro, you see this Clout thing on a run down, bro. That are no problem. You understand? That are no problem, me G. You see it? Yeah, man. Sometimes you can just do a look performance, bro, and just call it a day, me G. Cameraman thing, brother, and then you forward out and I say, come on, bro, you never did have to do that, me G. You never did have to do that. You see me? Cause the man, it could have been worse. The man could have broke him, man. You understand? He could have broke him, man. You see it? So, who you were elephant, man, I say?
Peace and love. Well, I'm here to just address something. There's a video going around on social media. I'm here to address it, explain to the fans how this thing goes. The cameraman now, cause him and the cameraman. Apology to the cameraman was given on the stage and off the stage. When he was videoing, I went, you know me, how we perform, so I went here and said, move, cameraman, move. No disrespect. Never meant to be taken. No disrespect to the cameraman. I apologize to him a million times. When him get up and him went back side the soup pipe right where the DJ was, I stopped the show and I said, cameraman, I apologize.
Hold on. Me done. Now follow me, boy, you're broken up. Don't go so. Big up yourselves. No disrespect. We just entertain the people.
I don't want nobody taking.
So you pull down, so wait there. Supposedly pull down the dog. Zane, and then him hand broke. See, or something do him. You would wanna say, yeah, entertain the people. So you pulling down a cameraman and entertain people now? People not tell us the man just look for clout on the media. You are entertain people just for put a man life at risk. Remember, you know, you could have do that and move the man, and when you look, you see man drop on him head back, you know. You understand? You could have drop on his head back and boom, knock out. Bro, some of the time when you do something just to gain the attention there, bro. So, but see there, you get the attention, you get the viral, but tell me what? It's not a good look, my G. You understand? And this, I tell you already, you know, social media will build you know, and break on my G. You know, say this what you do. People will look upon you different and change your whole career how people look upon you. You understand? This can damage your career, you know, my G. We see it happen to enough other artists, you know. Remember when Romish and the thing there in bodyguard, way. You see what happened after for Romish? You know what I say Romish? And when the hurricane thing and Romish start give it back at them time that everybody starts say, alright, we'll give Romish this. A big thing did I go on. You understand? So sometimes I'm gonna do something for the media, bro, and I know say, bro, you not damage on a brand, my G. Them things don't look good. I mean, know if a foreign you there, you wouldn't do that. Because you know them people when foreign stay all suing go on already, my G. You're mad. Actually, you know what Jamaica this. And don't you corrupt. You see me?
Of context, think that I'm disrespecting you. And secondly, fire. The person who you say I push off stage, fire. He have been working with me for over 25 going to 30 years now. He's a part of my team. He was the one of the signal the plane stick. And he working with me from him ear black till it white now. Fire, that's how long. Yeah man, it's a part-time promotion. We tour the world with elephant. We go all over with elephant. Elephant use water and show up a stage in a performance.
So wait there. Fire. 30 years you work with Elephant Man. Elephant Man ever... Suppose Elephant Man they push off a stage and you broke one of your hand them. Or you bust your head or something. I same thing you done come out and say, yo, Jano youth, me I tell you say yo, wanna do something for money in a dog. But no, for the 30 years, I bet some Elephant Man never yet push off a stage. How it's so sudden, him pull down the cameraman, then after that, him push off you. Bro, when you see a Clout, Elephant Man a look. Elephant Man a big artist, brother, in a game for much years. And a them thing him a do forget Clout. Yo, dog, yo, the internet thing is serious.
Everybody have and say, come up on the stage. And some girl come up and then come up. Him say, you come up on it. So all with them I take on a one. And I said this and I said that. I said my foot broke. See me and my hearty. No do me. No do me. My hearty. So me don't want them feel like nothing do me. My hearty is a part-time performance. Worldwide. Me too.
People, you ever see Elephant Man push off nobody over foreign yet? Me not knowing about. Tell me if you ever see Elephant Man push nobody off of one stage yet.
World with him. We got Japan. The first time I got Japan. Some Japanese company said, the man say, fire, give me water. We wait them up, come up on the stage and show them off. So we don't know what them take this out of proportion. Yeah, see, that's the area. Here, yo, he met me. So me no want no man come go on like them a come. Go on, big you, me them a come with this now. When I pushed fire off the stage, he came back up. And when he came on the stage, I wet him up again and he wet me up. When me I said, wet me up. You understand? And I just come to apologize to the fans them who I use some profanity words and I apologize for that. I apologize for that a million times. Yo, them.
People, I remember when Burna Boy made the security them take out the female all-time show when they on him tour in the US. You see after that? The amount of show were cancelled for Burna Boy. I don't think Burna Boy do not one more show in the USA. Some of them, about I just want to look of foul cup size people forward out come see him. Bro, sometimes when you do something and you know say, brother, you might think say, yeah, apologize and everything, you know. But remember this, everybody I remember say Elephant Man pull down the cameraman. You notice a cameraman, them the business about your brother where you powered for 30 years, you know. I cameraman, because we see the cameraman face. Or him face look. Like man say him disappointed. And him man could have broke him man, cause one and him rest him whole body pan, you understand? Bro, sometimes when we think before we do something, my G, cause something could happen worse than this. But we have a your progress, I say.
As a fans that confuse me, you fuck. Look over there, good and low, the whole cinema argument from what you hear. And Vice Cartel go on Reggae land. And do what him say, ma do. And surprise, Uno, say Sidem pregnant. Not me, no. Because I know that from me, you know. You understand? And surprise, Uno, say Sidem pregnant. And everybody tap J Progress tonight.
At that, me I say, you know, me see everybody forward out. A bagger man, me see forward out. Imagine, them artists say, them woman, and the man attack J Progress. I say, yo, J Progress, I don't know this and that. Bro, me don't know what wrong with them, G. Me don't know what wrong with you, no, brother. Till all, the man them I say, cartel breed, see them and alkaline not do this, and me I say, dog, something really wrong with you. And wait, you see one of the worst thing, and when people call out and call Vice Cartel name, you hear say, oh, people bad mind, people hate. Eh? Pre these people, Vice Cartel announced on Reggae land, say Sidem pregnant, right? How alkaline dropping at that? But when people start touch Vice Cartel now, everybody a come out a cash out and a ball. J Progress maybe dead and him a did him little family thing. See? And then when you look, people attack him. Now when him come out, come talk, everybody a cash out. That make no sense, people. Them say them no want nobody talk about Vice Cartel. But when nobody talk and Vice Cartel do something, them come out, them tag him, them do video. You know make no sense, me G. You better J Progress go and do what him do.
Body I do video, J Progress, rare. You say Vice Cartel and see them left. You say this, you say that. Remember, you know? Me do 1 week, I see them topic and low, you alone, you know? And you call me back out again. And now you have a problem. It confusing, man. Why you always call me out and then when me ready to drop the bomb, there might be a problem when you start ball again? And never me a tap J Progress in every video, you know, and Ray and Tay, you know? And never me, you know? Oh boy. When you see me a show, a matter of fact, I'll now me no review Reggae on it, Vice Cartel. Sure. That is another thing for job. And Elephant Man, you don't get with Elephant Man energy God. But we'll leave that for another day. Because we can't do everything in a one day. Gaza fans, make up on your mind. Remember, you know, me lego, they see them topic about a week or something I go now. But because you know see Vice Cartel, pull up him socks, change up him folly grounds and start do the right thing because me call him out. And drag him out and blast it in a social media. And he have to fix up himself. I want to see him go to England and him and see them and do them thing. When you attack J Progress, listen to me. You see when me scroll past a topic, Gaza fans, if I were you guys, leave it alone. Vice Cartel probably prove things to Uno, but not to me. Remember, you know, Uno don't have the file them when me have. I just drop me no feel like drop them. Believe when me tell you that.
Yo, and the worst thing, you know, remember, say, England J Progress there, you know. And I see them, they are England too. You understand? So, you know the media stay, a lot of people say things when no. You stay there. Just go on, man. You see me?
I'm not going to be a foot hype in this matter. But tell you what, you see for certain things, because the fact that Vice Cartel tell you no same, see them pregnant, I can't speak on anything about the pregnancy now. Because I him drop it and tell Uno. So we can drop any file me up or anything. And all I would think say, somebody who knows somebody when knows see them. Uno don't know me know, and Uno don't know who. Uno keep yourself quiet and just be a viewer. Thank you very much.
Jamaica, Vice Cartel the Reggae land and announced that Sidem pregnant by his jester, right? People, when you go back to J Progress video about me, when me ask the question, I say to Vice Cartel, say, Vice Cartel, you want me tell them, or you are going to tell them? You want me to tell them, or you are going to tell them? Let me tell you this. Anybody will just know to see them when I breathe. When you're late, I want to take a look. Let me show you something again. Somehow you've been missing this point, you know. When you think this is about breathing, see them or breathing, see them not. It is about how see them is being treated. Yes, see them or breathe, but Vice Cartel hasn't been treating see them well. See them a breathe and see them stress out. That's why see them take the break and go to England. We don't think Vice Cartel send them bail mother in the first trimester. What am I going to do? Make see them stay in England for the whole 9 months? Come on, man. No sense. Remember, you know, see them love Vice Cartel, you know. And that you don't understand, you know. But Vice Cartel just want to take see them as another girl. A one woman. Vice Cartel deal with the way of to get deal with it and a shorty at the time, you know. Remember, shorty sit down and raise Vice Cartel youth them, you know. Every other's baby mother, Vice Cartel just breed them and send on money and them good with money. See them no want that. See them wait for Vice Cartel for 15 years. See them a deal with Vice Cartel, I try out him thing. From before Vice Cartel, even they are prison then. Right? And people, who no really feel that see them is here just for the money. See them want more than the money. She want love, she want affection, she want respect. And that was the problem with try see them up the walls. Me tell you, see them I go thank me. Because if I never call out Vice Cartel, uno get Vice Cartel back in this lovey-dovey mood when introduce see them to us with. Uno a idiot, uno talk about breed, uno think as
yo, one thing, you know. You see like how him announce see them breed now. If this is the problem, you know. You know when it go worse, if him go back to Florida, you know, people. And they with the one bag of woman and I do something, you know, people. Boy, me I tell you. Hell broke loose, me I tell you that.
You just breed woman and everything, alright? You don't know how much woman change when they go through them first trimester. You don't have any sense about it. It come like on the band back a cow. Let me tell you this. See them want Vice Cartel more than how Vice Cartel want see them. Remember that. all see them want is the Vice Cartel do the right thing. And that me call out Vice Cartel for. When really thinks of Vice Cartel, really and truly want see them. When you hear me say, see them was a side piece for Vice Cartel. See them was the woman who make Vice Cartel look good. See them.
Yes, real talk that. Just a face. Yeah, man, for real. That was just a face.
That woman who is going to be there beside Vice Cartel. Where always when people criticize Vice Cartel with him appearance and whatever, him can show us see them like a side piece. But tell you what, see them want a ring. See them want to be wife. Look how long Vice Cartel say him go married see them. He wouldn't go on it, you know. Let me tell you something. See them wanted to get pregnant. Vice Cartel never want to breed see them. See them want to get pregnant. Because see them want to be a wife. See them want to be married. All see them want is the Vice Cartel treat her like the uncle one burner where him say him a one burner. And that see them want. So when you come out here and talk about breed and J progress, third progress. If I never call out Vice Cartel, them smile and them love and something they want to see now. And the bag of posting they come back up. It wouldn't have gone. When you hear me say see them is going to thank me. What do you think me talk about? Remember you know, when Vice Cartel do married see them, which are next year. When Vice Cartel married see
The man said next year to bombard. Brother, from 2025 cartel say 2025 or February, him say yo, marriage, I'll know. We know what? 2026, we got Jaja youth.
next year. Let me tell you something. Vice Cartel now married see them out of love. Vice Cartel are married see them out of publicity stunt. Just for the showcase.
I see him with the pregnancy where him do on Reggae land. Can remember him, him could have announced it anytime, you know. But him wait for the Reggae land. Him love, me telling you, him love that attention there. Him know it go viral. That's why him do it.
In career. Remember, you know, you don't understand this, you know. With Sidem, you know, and Vice Cartel arms, you know. Vice Cartel walk through a lot of doors easier. Remember when me telling you that. So you can stay the talk about breed. Let me ask you this. Vice Cartel go be the first man to breed a woman. In case you never know, check the statistics. Majority of woman and them baby father fall out within the second trimester. Sidem is a first time mom. Sidem are emotions and everything attack Sidem. And Sidem want love and affection and time. Vice Cartel can't provide Sidem that. This is why Sidem is in the UK. Sidem lock up in a house as a pregnant woman and I go through all the way she go through. You understand me? I say, of course she go want to be around people who love her and cherish her. So when you talk about Vice Cartel send Sidem away to rest, I want to come from. When you are dopey bat, when you are menke. And by the way, I just last night when you realize I see them a breed. When you realize I see them a breed right now me. I want to when you go check by my video and me ask Vice Cartel if he want me tell the people them or him go tell the people them.
Who remember when Vice Cartel and Sidem go Panama and Cartel meet some girl in at the bar and Sidem dip on the live. I say, yo, where the girl them say? Yo, Ray. You feel like say Sidem. I go find out say she pregnant and in the house and see a bag of video and him and girl and all them thing there. Come on, man. Woman have feelings, you know. You understand? But me tell you already still. I'm glad say Vice Cartel come from prison. You know why? I want him forward out and take care of him family. See? That I want. I want when him forward out, people see the true reality and what people mostly talk about when it comes to Vice Cartel. It's not really his music. It's about his life. It's more like a reality show. You know, Love and Hip Hop and them little show there where you watch over American show them. If you realize, it's like Vice Cartel lifestyle. It's not really about the music. Check most of the things that go viral. And not really music. Like 99% of the thing will go viral with Vice Cartel is house, car, see them, shorty, want him fall out, cousin this, Ray. Music is just 1%. Just breathe. And you have to remember, you know, Jamaicans, you know we love drama. We love the bagga and all of them. You understand? Not me, you know, but like the society love them thing that the drama. Look on TikTok. People sit down and watch and pay money for those people, cuss out people every day. So, Vice Cartel now, he my only dancehall artist where fame life kind of coming like that a everyday thing. From the get-go before him go prison. Shorty catch him with a fat browning and bag of thing and Ray man not nice fall out, Rhino. Nah, nothing to do with music. I just see people when they round him. You understand? I just saw it go. And some of the time him pop a lot. Seem like him go up on him Ray and go do him doing in bathroom and a bag of thing. At them attend. Remember him did that do teacher's pet, you know? When I have nothing to do with music, you know? Him just flying some girl and If a them thing them love. You understand? And a them thing they always follow him. Yeah, man.
Have sense, no, man. Me tell you, no, man. Nothing no past J Pro because I want to take this one. It come like you know a menke. Sidem want Vice Cartel more than no Vice Cartel want Sidem. Vice Cartel have Sidem as a muggling piece. Hold on. If you know, it come like you know blind. Probably it's a woman I forgot tell you this. Because a lot of women has been calling it out. Let me tell you this. Vice Cartel look like a man we really love Sidem. You know, say everything about Sidem for Vice Cartel is a publicity stunt. We no have sense, man. We no have sense and come again. Listen to me, I want to listen to me good. Sidem wanted her to get pregnant. I best thing Sidem could ever do. And one thing me want to see now is the ring up on her finger. Hopefully, and member say me tell you this, I want to go member by next year. You hear me I say?
John, but people, remember say I think Vice Cartel married already, you know, to a girl overseas, you know. Yeah, man, I think he married to a girl overseas, but I don't know what. Let me tell you this, brother. Cartel is a brother where, yo, man, the man is a brother where him no love to be controlled in a way weird. Brother, the man not used to. A bag of gal at them, they see them, me no know, yo, there's more to forward, people. That's all I have to tell you. Una go see, you see me, and at that kind of keep Vice Cartel relevant in the space. If you realize, regular performance, no. All everybody talk about, see them pregnant. Imagine. Nah, nothing to do with music. You see me? The things them will go viral with him. And that's why I'm name always call. Me as an entertainer, as an artist, yeah. If Vice Cartel was just focusing on music and don't put out nothing in the media, so-called with them no want nobody talk about, boy, you that's still the difference. Remember me tell you that.
Elephant man. One up in a, that up in a, fourth no joke. 1 4 generation wish. Alright, so we see Elephant man. I perform. Elephant man, a fuckery you do. And then our small fuckery. And it's not a little fuckery, our big one. Yeah man, our big fuckery. We want big fix, we want feel away. If I be like that, the cameraman there. I must book that the cameraman the book. Because he will just film work where I do. So if I me that the cameraman there, the promoter, you have to go vex with me because that the show they are go mash up. And if soon enough go on, when I don't know I have to go get through. I mean no Elephant man, I have to go get through. Elephant man, the cameraman I do make. Elephant man, shoot the cameraman. And I go tell the cameraman say him broke, him can't sue him. So that means the Elephant man never drunk. Elephant man no way I do. And I fuck you do Elephant man. If I mean like that the video man the a war is either you beat me up on top of that or me beat you up.
And that's one of the thing, bro. Like, yeah, push down the man. You not even check if the man good or him on, cause I one on him lean pan. And you go say you can't sue him cause him broke. Yo, damn, I tell you, brother. And then you go forward out and I say, about sorry. And bro, you know, run them joke with people life, me G. You understand? Or some you take internet thing for joke. For just to go viral.
But our big war, you are do your work, me I do my work. You get paid for do your work, you get paid for do my work. And the next thing, you do the same thing to a next man, fling him off on stage. And I go tell the same man say, him broke. Him a this and him a that. Remember say, on a human being just like regular people them. Not just because you are different. Yes man. Just like when you are do for your work, people them do for them work. And the next man, when me see you shoot down off a stage, you go tell the man say him broke and him a this and him a that. A fuck you do. Remember, you're artist, you're a human being. Just like the rest of people them. So anything can do the rest of people them can do you too, Elephant man. So as we say better than the people them, the two man them when you shoot down. You up there and do your thing. And I go shoot off him man off a stage. Suppose you do fuck up him man. When you know what I do as entertainer. Remember say, when you can hope yourself today and tomorrow when you down there so. And
well, it no look good for him in the media right now, you know. At that me I tell you, all him come out and remember when Beanie Man with the foot, I don't know what them artists put the foot pan the woman and come up like brother. People look on the different, bro. That's one of the easiest thing for cancer, bro. You can't do them thing there, bro. Just to go viral.
man we down here so today can up this so tomorrow. So if you know what I do, remember say, and I know God up this so, and God can fuck. God can put you down. Wicked and rise up, you see man, two man the way I say broke, like that, and didn't have no money. Remember, Fuck you do. And as me say, if I me like that the cameraman there, a big war on that the stage there. Is either you beat me up or me beat you up. But one of we I go beat up one another. Yeah man, a real thing. I just say thing there. I fuck you do it man.
Yeah, man, he must know, you know. Him soon see what I go on, man. Him not even know what him do. That me I tell you. You can't do them the thing the brother and father would say, yo, I entertain people. And I say, go me G. You understand? But people, big up on yourself when you don't know one media facts pan you know. Yeah, man, mad thing, man. That is it.